I got my water, baby, it's so good and it's so cold. And I'm not tuned in to the Sam's World Show. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and you can comment too. I wanna give a shout out to all the Sammy Boo. Sam's World, 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 Sam's World.
Hi guys, it's Sam. I am on the cam. We're voguing in here, voguing in here. Y'all look, ain't nothing different, but guess what? We're not alone. Who could it be? Who could it be? I got my baby. I got my water, baby. I got my baby. Hey, I got my water, baby. I got my baby. She is so good and cool. Y'all, today, yes, we are eating some Chinese food. But guess what? Listen, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead on, hit that subscribe button and the bell, yeah. The bell, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And then what? Boom! Straight to your phone, baby. Straight to your phone. Hello. Anyway, y'all, today we're eating Chinese. And I've been moving around a lot. Y'all, I got company today. So if y'all hear some little noise in the background, those are my little great nephews. And they are only like 1 and 3. So you're going to hear some noise and it's going to be okay. Because I live here and we live it and I got company. And that's what it is. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. But yeah, my family's here. So like I say, you might hear a little bit of noise in the background. But it's okay. But these are lo mein noodles. I didn't get vegetables in it. And I got me some boneless spare ribs right here. Come through, spare rib. Come through. Y'all, this is some good old food. Y'all, this is actually Jordan's plate that he get all the time. And I was like, let me try what Jordan eat. This is what he eat. I also have me some crab rangoon. Put a couple of those up front. Crab rangoon. I love these too, y'all. A little crab rangoon and a little sauce to go with it, y'all, right here. And I got me some wonton soup. What? Hey, y'all know wonton soup, baby. Yes, come through one time. Y'all, this is the best to me. Ain't nothing but chicken broth and some dumplings. Oh my God, I love it. You hear me? I'm gonna say my grace in a minute so we can get to eat. Yes, y'all, got me some wonton soup. Give me a couple of dumplings out of there because I don't want them to splash out in my face. Ain't. Pour me some juice in there. Yes, come through, yes. And I got my noodles to go with it. Right here. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead. Let me put this down. This is making a lot of noise. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead on. Let me put this up here so I can give me a little thumbnail, honey. A little thumbnail. Okay, y'all, let me set my grace so we can get to eat. Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. And Lord, please bless the less fortunate. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen. And y'all know what else. Let's talk about it. Hey, let's talk about it. It's coming too. Let me put my little white sauce on there. I'm finna get to eating, baby. I love Chinese food. I hadn't had it in a long time. Had it in a long time. I got some pepper around here somewhere, y'all. No extra, put a little bit of garlic powder on here. And my pepper, if I can find it. Y'all remember when I was telling y'all the good garlic? This is right here. This gives you garlic, baby. That gives you garlic. Do you hear me when I say garlic? And here goes some pepper. Big old pepper. Yeah, it's come through. Let me get a bite. Hey. Y'all, I want to thank y'all for your comments on my children and my Thanksgiving. Caught it. I'm quick with them hands, baby. I got me an icy drink today, y'all. Oh. Oh, they so good, y'all. I done got a hiccup for some reason, but I can't stop this video. This, that's the ginger lime one. Put a little bit in my soup. And a little bit of pepper. But yeah, y'all, I enjoyed my sons, and I thank God that they, like I said, they was able to come up here with me. And I appreciate you all for saying that I'm a good mom and that I raised my boys well. And I'm thankful for that, because I didn't raise them by myself. Oh no, I had help. You sometimes take a village to raise a kid, y'all. I had help, but I did the best that I could. I was a working mom. And to be real, my boys had to raise themselves a lot. For real. But I thank God between everybody, my family, his dad, their dad's families, you know, the stepmoms, the girlfriends, that everybody raised these children. For real, y'all. They did. Because I never like fell out with the baby mom, with the new girlfriends and all that. I always stayed close with them because like I said in the other video, they got to take care of my kids. And I sure didn't want the daddies no more. So what I'm gonna be mean to the girlfriends for when they got my kids gonna spend the night over there? They gonna come and pick my kids up? Oh no. That's so good. So I stayed cool with them. I had to. So I thank everybody who helped me raise my boys. This food's super good today. Go to hand, y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and ever hear it's all easy too, because it wasn't. It was not. This food good. Crystal's here. It's about time to get Big Crystal back in, y'all. Y'all miss Big Crystal. We got snack size Crystal right now. My God, that's good. Real good. And I'm just trying to get lost in this, baby. It's good. I see why Jordan likes it so much. It's real good. The lo mein normally come with vegetables in it. But he don't get the vegetables, so I tried it without the vegetables too. Oh my goodness. We got our Let's Talk About It coming up. Let me get me a little bite of this, one more little bite of this soup. Put my little noodles on top. Oh y'all, this is, I could really just eat this if y'all let me. That's too far away. This bun. I'm telling y'all. I'm doing my own little world, but this has got some of the dumpling. My goodness. It's good, y'all. Woo. Okay, yeah. Had to cut my camera back on. But yeah, we getting ready to what? Let's talk about it. Hey, let's talk about it. What then? I'm just about to talk about it. I can't let my little noodles get soft. Hold on. Now. Now. We can talk about it. Let's talk about it. Hey, let's talk about it. Here we go now. Okay. I'm a single 34-year-old single mother. I've had the same best friend for 20 years and she's my daughter's godmother. My daughter's father died when she was 2 years old and my best friend said that she would always be there for my child. Well, she has not kept her promise. My daughter is 7 years old now and she has a spicy personality and behavioral problems. She acts out when she's upset and she has a problem with being disrespectful to adults. I have tried everything to discipline her, but nothing has worked. This past Saturday, her godmother took her to a birthday party for me so I could rest and nurse my cold. Within 30 minutes of leaving, my child walks back in the door, yelling at the top of her lungs at her godmother. The godmother said that soon as she got to the party, this child of mine insulted the birthday girl and told her her hair was a mess and her party decorations were terrible and her house was stinky, honey. Stinky. The little girl that told her, oh my God, the little girl that got no manners. My best friend said she was so embarrassed. She drug my daughter out of the party, kicking and screaming. I know my friend was very upset, but I thought as an adult she should have handled it. A few hours later, I called my best friend to see if she cooled off. She said she wasn't mad, but she's done with my daughter for good. She denounced her title as godmother of my child. She doesn't want my child to interfere with our friendship. I was like, what? Who does that? I tried reasoning with her, but she kept saying that she's not changing her mind. It's going to devastate my child because she loves her godmother. So how will I tell my child that her godmother quit her? I'm so upset. Can you please help me? Sammy Boo, y'all know we got it on that. Let me get this right here. Let me get this right quick. Y'all know we got it on that. We got to what? Take a big bite on it. So, two best friends for 20 years. One of them got a baby 7 years old now, but when she had the baby daddy died when she was 2. And the best friend told her that she'll be her child's godmother. And I'm going to go ahead and start from the story from there because at the beginning she got me anyway because she said that the best friend hasn't kept her. She said that the best friend hasn't kept her word anyway and not been there for the child. No way. But she has given the best friend permission to take the child to a birthday party. The mama knew that the little girl got a little jazz mouth. She disrespectful to adults. So you know she's going to be disrespectful to everybody. Took her to the party. I wonder if she warned the best friend, but since the best friend ain't been around, I wonder if she tell the best friend, look here, my little girl a little rough around the edges, baby. You're going to have to, she gonna need a little bit of extra care, extra attention. I wonder if she warned her. Anyway, the little girl gets to the party and turned it out. Then told the little girl her decorations are garbage. She done told her hair look a hot mess. Come on now, little girl. And her house was stank. And I basically said it out loud. So the best friend then took the little girl back home to her mama and told her that she quit her godmother position. Who quit the godmother position? My God. But what I will say is, I think that the friend should have been there more, and she would have already known what she had herself, what was going to be going on with her. You know what I'm saying? Being a single mom is hard, and if you are someone's friend, like I have friends and we take care of each other's kids, she should have been there more for the child, and she could have probably been and helped prevent some of the little negative ways that the little girl has of being disrespectful and all of that. I do know that if a child is already one way, you can't fix them overnight. It's gonna have to, you know, it's gonna have to be people around the child to help the child to become different. I'm gonna tell y'all this right quick. When my kids was little, when they used to be with me or have to go with their daddy on the weekend, they would be one way with me, but then they would go to the daddy side of the family. And the majority of the time, y'all know how the daddy side of spoil a kid. And you bring them at home, you gotta straighten them out. Take you about a day or two to straighten them back out. Remember where you came from. You with your mama now. Mother. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Me. You better get right. And remember where you at. But looks like that little baby only had some mama with her. And no kid is perfect. My kids wasn't perfect. But what I did was I worked with them and worked with them and worked with them and tried to show them different. And some of them was bad. Yes, it was. But they grew out of it. Oh, I whooped their tail. Nope. You can't beat it out of them. But sparing the rod will spoil the child. My kids weren't spoiled. They weren't spoiled. But I also had help. Because I can be honest and say too, that my kids listen to my sister more than they listen to me. And my sister's kids somewhat listen to me more than they listen to their mom. Like my kids would sometimes when they was younger, oh my God, I couldn't do nothing to get them calmed down. All my sister would have to do was walk in the room, baby, and they would be like, look, angels. And I'm the one who whooping them all the time. I'm the one who doing this and that. They would be angels. You be like, who is that? They wouldn't play by auntie. Oh no, no sir. And I could do the same somewhat with her kids. So it takes help. I wish that the friend would have, you know, been around the little girl more besides 7 years old. And she could have helped her before she got to this point that she's in right now. You know? Can't go nowhere without disrespecting people. It's sad. But to be real though, yeah. Some kids ain't built to raise kids or be around small kids. That's especially disrespectful because they might end up hurting them. You don't want your kid to be with nobody who don't want them there. Because you don't know what might happen, especially if they already bad. As a mother, trust and believe, y'all. We know if our kid's bad, period. There's some people who out here in denial. But at the end of the day, you know you got a baby Chucky. living with you. And you better do everything you can, pray with him. Try to discipline, do whatever. Get him some help, some count, whatever you need to get that child on track. And we'll never look over the fact that it honestly could. Some kids have mental problems. And a lot of the times you'll see, like I said, I whoop my kids or whatever, but I feel like if I seen something more than what they was doing besides showing out, I'd have did something different. Because some kids have mental problems at a young age, and you have to get them more help than just trying to beat it out of them. Because the more no matter how many times you whoop them, it ain't gonna come out of them. You feel what I'm saying? So you have to know your child. Mine didn't have no mental, they were just bad. B.A. to the D, bad. And they got the rod from me and my sisters, and my mama, and my daddy. And it wasn't abuse. Discipline. So, like I said, maybe the friend should have been around more, and I would have sent my child with her anyway if she really had been around her. And the mama said the little girl gonna be sad because she's saying that the friend fired her from it, quit from being her godmother. Well, like I said, to me, the friend ain't been around nobody. So what is she gonna be missing? She ain't been around nowhere. I think that's what I was saying, y'all. My camera cut off. I'll be losing my train of thought. Yeah. She's saying she quit her, but from the look of it, the friend really don't know the child like that nowhere because she ain't been there. But then she said, we can be friends, but I can't be your child godmama. I think the friend took it too far to say I won't be your child godmama, because you know what I'm saying? You can still be there to help your friend. You might not be the godmother that always takes the child off to places and do things on your own, but you still can be there, you know, for your friend if you want to stay friends with her. But per child, knowing me, I'd be like, I'd have cussed my friend out. What? You gonna do what? You done fight my... Go ahead on. I don't know how I handle that. But you know the friend sound childish for saying she'll fight. You know, I quit. This food was good to me. I ate my soup, y'all. Sammy Boo's put down in the comments what y'all think about the friend. Was she wrong to say that she fired herself? She quit from being the child's godmother. Does that make sense to y'all? And how would y'all handle it when she said that she wanted to stay friends with the mom, but you know she can't be the godmama no more? I cuss my friend out and say, yes, you is the godmama. The lies you tell, what time you come pick up? The lies, the lies. That's how me and my friends are now. But me and my friends have been in each other's life the whole time and been in the kids' lives the whole time. I don't know how she gonna handle that. This is so good. I'm be full when this over. I enjoy my food when I eat Chinese, y'all. That little cream cheese good in them one, them I can say wonton. These what they call y'all? What is it? Crab rangoon, my God. And the rest of this soup. Let's see. And I'm gonna get out y'all. Wait, oh, come through. And drop the noodles. I love my noodles to stay crispy too, y'all. I'm finna go, y'all. I'm finna go. This is gonna take me long to eat. I'm about to finish that though. In the bloopers. Listen, I'm gonna eat the rest of my soup in the bloopers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out y'all way. Listen. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And until next time, bye-bye. They can talk now. I'm in the bloopers. Nene. Okay. I went on here to try to let my nephews Lou try, let them play. They little babies, honey. Let them talk, let them run. Let them laugh, honey. I just want to finish my soup because I'm not going to go warm this up with these noodles in it. I like my noodles to stay crunchy. They did really, really good. They were so quiet. You hear them now? Oh my God. I'm gonna be so full I wanna go to sleep. I'm gonna start cleaning up. Y'all, that was so good to me. I haven't had Chinese in so long. That was so quick. I'm gonna put my others back up. Gotta eat that later. Oh gosh, I'm full, y'all. I am too full. Oh. Excuse me. I'll put this chicken down in there. Got that up. Woo. They loose in there now. Y'all hear my family? I love my family. I love family, y'all. I do. I like the noise. Y'all know I be here by myself. Let them holler, honey. I like the noise. Let them run, honey. And they so little God. I wish I could show them to you, but y'all know how YouTube act, honey. One more time. Oh well. Y'all know how they act. That's that on that. Thank y'all for sitting with me while I clean up. Peace out, family booze. Love y'all. Peace.
My baby, I got my water, baby. I got my baby, I got my water, baby. I got my baby, I got my water, baby. I got my baby, I got my water, baby. It's so good and so cold. 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 I got my water, baby. It's so good and it's so cold. I want to welcome y'all to the Sand World Show. Make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and you can comment too. I want to give a shout out to all the Salmon Boo. Subscribe, like, share, and you can comment too. I want to give a shout out to all the Salmon Boo. And I got my baby, I got my water, baby. I got my baby, I got my water, baby. I got my baby, I got my water, baby.